Hey friends, welcome back. And this is your number talks for today, January 4th, 2021. We are going to be starting our multiplication number talks, and the strategy we're going to be using is called using repeated addition. All right, so let's begin. Here I have 5 times 9. I'm going to remind you to use your hand signals if you are in school and use any of the strategies that you know to help solve this. It could be drawing out arrays or using repeated addition, and that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So I'll give you a second to think. All right, so we're going to be doing repeated addition. I see 5 times 9. I'm just going to write out 5 9 times because that's what it's telling me. We're multiplying 5 9 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To do this, it's going to be easy for me because I know how to skip count by 5. So I can do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. Is that what you guys got? I bet it was. All right, let's try another one. Here we have 2 times 5. I'll give you an opportunity to think about this. Okay, so I have 2 times 5. So that means that I need to see the number 2 5 times. Or with the commutative property, I can flip this around and make this 5 times 2. That's another strategy that you can use. So I'm going to keep it as is. So I'm going to write the number 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to remember that I know how to skip count by 2s. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And if I did use the commutative property, it would be 5 times 2. So it would be 5 plus 5, and that is 10. And this here is using the commutative property, which means I moved my numbers around. I swapped the order of them, and it does not affect my answer. All right, let's move on to this next one. I have 3 times 3. Again, I'm going to give you a chance to think, and if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. So I'm going to use repeated addition. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. I see the number 3, and I'm multiplying it by itself 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Again, I know how to skip count by 3s, and that's how I'm going to add. So I have 3, 6, 9. Another way that you can do this is you can put 2 3s in a parentheses and work on adding that first. If you remember your doubles, you know that 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here I have 7 times 3. I'll give you a minute to think about that. So I have my 7 times 3, and that's telling me that I am adding 7 3 times. So I have 7 plus 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to use my doubles facts because counting up or skip counting by 7s is a little tricky for me. So I'm just going to remember my doubles facts. I know that 7 plus 7, oops, wrong line. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. And then I'll just add 7 to that, and that equals 21. Is that what you guys got? I bet it was. All right, my friends, remember to turn this Number Talks in on Google Classroom. Until next time, bye.